currently 8:55 and I woke up around 8 o'clock. Now I'm going to my dad's house. My packed vanity arrived yesterday and the bulbs are arriving today in the morning. So look at that and put that together and I'll show you that. So we currently have like a tad bit of snow and I just forgot my case. Let's go. I'm just gonna stay. Haven't done a car tour yet. I'm planning on doing it and like my head is like cut out. Hopefully you guys will see me. Your hand under any keys. Turn the heat on because it is freezing. Okay, so I just arrived here in bag. Okay, so we got everything like taken apart. We put the base on and it's just sitting right here. So hi. Look at that. Just put it up here. Like where it's gonna go. I think I'm gonna move this over here at some point. I'm gonna wait to like do that for another video. I have a bunch of videos coming that include like my room because my room's a mess and I want to do a bunch of stuff with my room. It's just been procrastinated. I have been wanting this mirror and like researching different like mirrors and stuff for a good like 2 weeks now. Okay, so the vanity mirror was just put together. Like this looks like this. The mirror is done, but like the vanity and like every like piece of furniture isn't really done. Okay, so yeah, that was really bright. And the plugins are side. In the back it says the name of the place. It like is dimmable. That's the mirror. And overall I think the mirror is really good. It's 5 stars. It was a really good deal. I got it on sale. Yeah, I recommend it to anyone. The bulbs are LED bulbs that come with LED only bulbs are supposed to be used, so I will say that, but you will also get a know if you purchase the mirror. I also had no clue they were gonna be dimmable. That it was just like the on and off switch, because like the one online that I ordered didn't really say it was dimmable. They had dimmable ones, but like the one I ordered didn't say it was. So like that's cool, it's a bonus. But yeah, I'm in the video right here. More videos I want you guys just watch. This video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you me do it next. Subscribe button right here, that means so much to me. Sorry this video was really short. I just wanted to vlog it for you guys. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.